Hello my friends, Shani Kids here and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox this wired keyboard that we have ordered from Amazon. My friends, I am so excited. Wow, a nice Dell keyboard. Okay. Remove the cover. Oh, it looks nice. I love it. My friend, this keyboard is 1,300 in market, but in Amazon this keyboard is 600. Now let's open the box. It's opened! Now let's check what is inside this cardboard box. Why it is not opening? Oh, finally. Ooh, it's opening. My friends, now let's use this keyboard and check if it is working. Yes, it's working! My friends, if you want to buy this, click the link in this descriptions and buy it from Amazon. My friends, like, subscribe and turn on notifications all the time. My friends, if you want to see more unboxing videos, you have to write in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video and happy unboxing. Bye.